I mean, whatever I say is less क्योंकि प्रशांत सावंत has been my trainer since my first film, Student of the Year. जब से मैंने कदम रखा है फिल्मों में तब से प्रशांत मेरे साथ रहे and he's been my trainer. More than a trainer, he's like a family member. He, his wife, his brother Rohan, I mean they've been by my side since day one and आज actually मैं बहुत proud हूँ कि प्रशांत ने इतना बड़ा gym खोला है. I think it's one of the best gyms in Asia. People should come and see the type of equipment he has, the type of training he offers. He is genuinely one of the best trainers we have in India, and I think when we have him, we don't need to go outside and look for any trainers.
How much does fitness matter?
It matters a lot more than fitness. Trainer matters. That's Prashant's logo, which is over here, and he's standing over there. So I can make a lot of fun of him also, but I'm not allowed to do that.
Thank you so much.
But I have to say that he and his wife Maya, like I said, have been by my side since day one. Prashant obviously is very busy because he has so many clients, but when he used to be busy, then Maya used to train me. When Maya used to be busy, then Rohan used to train me. But now I feel like I'm a trainer in the gym as well because I know the gym so well.
He's a pillar.
I'm a pillar, yeah.
He's, I think I'll be very thankful to Varun because he encouraged me so much to put up this gym. Again, he's the one after Vatsal and all. They all are like after my like. Now he comes and Prashant, you have to do it. Now this time too, you have to do it. बातें कर रहा है कुछ कर नहीं रहा है.
हम लोग हमेशा मस्ती करते थे बिगने में कि प्रशांत कब करेगा.
Vegas when we were doing
last ABCD2
when we were doing, we had a very big chart for 5 hours and we like explaining what my plans and all. And he said, and he's coming, कभी कर रहा है तू, कभी कर रहा है, कभी कर रहा है. Now is the time where he really, and let me tell you, when he came and see my gym, and he didn't expect that, you know.
I didn't. Honestly, it's a very मेरे लिए बहुत इमोशनल मोमेंट भी है ये क्योंकि जब आप किसी के पास क्लोज होते हैं और हमारी फिल्मी टर्म में बोलते हैं कि पिक्चर हिट होती है, सुपर हिट होती है, पर ये तो ब्लॉकबस्टर है.
He said that the first day 40 crore opening. He said that. So I was very, and I really touched to to have a brother like Varun. He's like my younger brother. The day he came to me first time, he said कि यार स्टार बनेंगे तो बात करेंगे. Let's work out now. Let's do some workout.
No, I have to say this thing that जब मैंने शुरू किया प्रशांत के साथ ट्रेनिंग तो उन्होंने मुझसे फीस नहीं ली थी बिगनिंग में. उसने बोला था कि जब तू पैसे कमाएगा तब तू देना मुझे.
Yeah, I think मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि he was very honest and he came for my help and he had a body that time. And I think that I thought that Varun is a genuine because I met a lot of people on the set and there is not a spot. We have a lot of हम लोग के लिए काफ़ी अहमियत होती है स्पॉट बॉय की. तो वो वन स्पॉट बॉय ऑल्सो डिडंट से एनीथिंग बैड थिंग अबाउट वरुण दैट रियली टच मी. एंड वरुण इज अ रियली जेन्युइन पर्सन एंड वरुण मेक मी ऑन द रास्कल सेम and his dad told me like and I really touched me and I never work for money. He knows that. He keeps telling me that. So money doesn't
take money, but आपको ये जिम ज्वाइन करना होगा तो फीस तो देनी पड़ेगी. फ्री के लिए बहुत लोग आ जाएंगे वरना.
अभी फीस तो ले लेके जिम बनाई है मैंने तो that's okay. But I think you want to say
we have family. I think.
We have family.
Anything.
We are not like.
He's always been there for us.
And
supported us.
बद्री हम भी हो गया. अभी बद्री आ रहा है. अभी बद्री आ रहा है.
I'll tell you.
No,
I saw the promo. I saw he showed me the look and he's going to be outstanding. He's going to be outstanding.
Fingers crossed. But where Badri is concerned, जो body Badri में आप देखोगे तो that also Prashant has made. जो body अभी जुड़वा के लिए बना रहे हैं हम लोग. Behind that also Prashant is behind that, and all my food and all the meals that I'm getting are all from Lean Kitchen, which Maya does, and my full diet and nutrition is done through that. And one more. Any fitness tips? I think just come and train with Prashant Sawant, eat Maya Pereira's food. And that's the best.
I think just be very. I think I'll tell you. We have opened some fitness tips. Varun, I think we should tell her. Be little genuine to yourself. Respect your body.
Yes.
Respect your body.
That's a thing that is. That's what I think. Really, Varun is really respect his body. That's what his body is. What he is like. He's today. I think that's the thing.
I think it's a teamwork.
Lastly, with the
क्या बहुत ही ख़राब बात है, बहुत ही बुरी बात है कि हमारे देश में जहाँ आर्ट को हम लोग इतना रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं, ऐसी चीज़ हुई है. एंड इट्स वेरी शेमफुल. एंड आई थिंक इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू ट्रीट हिम लाइक अ स्पेशल person, just treat him as a normal human being, and the police should take action, the government should take action. This is horrible. He's a very respected filmmaker, very senior filmmaker who's made some great films, so you have to trust him that he's going to make Padmavati into a beautiful film. And it's just horrible, and we all stand with him, and we all stand with Sanjay.
we do.
Thank you guys.